Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Walmart affiliate program, guys. It's super easy, super convenient, but please listen to me carefully and watch every single possible step that I'm going to show you right now. And we're also going to discuss some commissions, so as I said, stay tuned and let's get started. First thing first that you need to do is to go to affiliates.walmart.com, guys. I didn't find any specific link on Walmart side, but you can just check it out. Walmart affiliates program. You can type it in Google on your Google search, guys, and first thing first, it pops up, you just press on it and just go to it, and you can see right here also link will be down below, so don't worry about anything. Also, what you can see right here, Walmart affiliates, guys, earn commissions, become a Walmart affiliate, home, deal finder, API login, sign up. We need this section right here. So what we need first is our name, our mail, guys, username, our password, confirm password. So I'm gonna do that right now. After that, what you need, guys, is account display name. So this is the name that people will see actually when they see your account, guys. So right here, let's press, for example, Nick Wave of Wealth, Nick Wow. Right here is a website. So you do not have to have a specific website itself for this section, guys. What you need is also social media. So we can paste our social media from our channel, guys, from Wave of Wealth, street address and everything. We can fill that out right here. Add suit and everything, that's optional. Time zone right here. We just need just a second. We need to find it right here, for example. And you can see after that, guys, a main promotional method right here. We can check it out, guys, just for example, because I have a pretty big screen, guys, and I just need to do that because I don't see every single possible button. So right here, content and reviews or social influencer. I'm not quite sure because I'm not a social influencer, but I also maybe do some content, or let's just say content and reviews right here, guys. And after that, we have a secondary promotional method that could be actually, yeah, social media influencer. After that, promoting countries, guys. Let's just say that way, save and continue later, submit, and then after that you are all set. Basically, as it's right, you're all set. Now it's our turn, guys. So now it's their turn. Hang tight as we review your application. We get back to you shortly, and that's basically it. In 3 easy steps, you can just, as easy as that, guys, make your own account on affiliate, guys, right here on a Walmart affiliate. And what you need to know is your mail, your name, display name, of course, username, guys, password, your country, phone number, and good to go. You're linked to your social media. That's extremely crucial for them. And check it out, as I said. Also, while you're waiting for that, you can just see their commissions. I found this amazing article, guys, where is a breakdown of their commissions, guys. Right here, you can see for category media, gaming, electronics, cameras, and supplies, wireless, 1% of items, so 1% commission. 3% you can see for toys, books, magazines, seasonal, celebrating, stationery, sporting goods, and so on. 3% of item sale amount, arts, crafts, sewing, fabric, cook and dine, home decor, guys, and so on. 3% of item, pets and supplies, beauty, baby hair lines. 4% of item sale amount, guys, men's apparel, baby, toddlers, boys, girl apparel, shoes, intimate apparel, guys, and so on. So you can earn from 1 up to 4% in commission. And that's actually answered right here. You can actually earn from 1 to 4% frequently asked questions, guys. You can check it out. Is my website eligible? How much can I earn? Affiliates can earn up to 4% on each eligible sale when a customer links directly from Walmart.com, a link on your website, and completes a qualifying purchase at Walmart.com. So click here to check out the commission rates. Feel free to do that, guys. And also do not forget that every single possible link you need for it is down below in the description section. As easy as that. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, goodbye.